what better way to start this episode than by singing Arre Rara Oh, Arre Rara Ah, Arre Rara Ooh, Arre Rara E. Just love me, just love me.
मैं अकेला मेरे चारों तरफ हसीनों का मेला.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antrish Shakkar, joined by
Snail and Aja.
and
Abbas moment.
and today we are talking about the best or worst films based around cheating, infidelity,
Adultery.
adultery.
Yes.
Yeah, no, which doesn't mean being an adult. I found out very recently. No,
आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि इस एपिसोड पे कीर्ति नहीं है.
yeah, तो लौंडा थोड़ा खुल के हुए आज खुल के बातें होंगी.
There is a reason.
Or Antriksh episode will hide it from Kirti.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
he
never,
won't just
yeah.
show up on her
Yeah,
feed
correct,
at
correct.
all.
Basically, so the way we start this podcast is, "Oh Father, forgive us for we have sinned."
Have you?
No,
Because
I
I
haven't.
have.
Maybe you guys. I'm very pure and pious.
Okay.
Have you guys actually ever
What
cheated?
the fuck? Why are we starting with this?
I haven't.
You've never cheated?
Yeah, I have been cheated on, but I haven't.
Oh, you have been cheated on?
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude. I have done both. Not getting into details, just off the
Yeah.
top of the bat.
Yeah, and Abbas just refuses to answer,
yeah.
so we can move on.
So we
yeah,
have-
move on.
Okay, fine. We do have quite a few things to get
Things to
to.
talk about, yes.
Firstly, the repeated question we got in the previous episode was how someone can become a member of the channel. It's very simple. All you have to do is open YouTube, search for Filmy Colada, go to the channel, and right next to where you have the subscribed or subscribe please button, whatever, right next to that is the join button. If you click on the join button, you'll be given two options, either to join our popcorn salted tier or the popcorn caramel tier. Please feel free to join either of those. Popcorn caramel will just help us out a little bit more, but salted भी मस्त है यार.
हाँ, and now that we know this, आपको साइड में एक वीडियो भी दिखा होगा कि जो आपको स्टेप टू स्टेप बता देगा कि कैसे ज्वाइन करना है.
अब एडिटर ने नहीं डाला वो वीडियो.
अरे एडिटर की
बोलने के बाद you could have just said it और साइड में चल जाता. It would have not been up to us.
अब editor खुन्नस में नहीं
अब
डालेगा.
एडिटर को डालना ही पड़ेगा.
Yeah, bro.
And on the day that we are recording this episode, we already have 4 members.
Yeah.
The first one to be a member was Mehul Lala.
लाला
लाला
जी.
जी.
लाला जी.
भाई ने मेरे को मैसेज भी किया अलग से कि मैं मेंबर बन चुका हूँ. मैंने कहा bro, he's our first caramel member. Then we have Arjun Sharma, Zahira Ali. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but thank you for subscribing.
Zaher Ali. I remember reading the name. Zaher.
Zahir Ali. Oh, okay. Please don't unsubscribe.
Imagine this.
She's like, अगली बार से नहीं हूँ मैं.
Zahir or Zahira, whoever you are, thank you.
Yes, thanks.
Yes.
And the recent one is how can she slap a
Oh, that's the handle of the
That's
person?
the handle, yeah.
Dude, I love that. You know, actually, if you can humor us, when you subscribe, we will make sure firstly to read
Become
out.
a member, not
So yes.
subscribe, yeah.
When you become a member,
Yes.
we'll make sure firstly to read out
Of course.
every new member's name
Yes,
and welcome
yes.
them to the
Popcorn
Colada?
family.
Conversation.
Popcorn family.
The Pop Conversation
Welcome to the
family.
Pop Conversation. Yes, you're finally a part. I would love it if the names could be, funny or filmy in some way.
नहीं अगर आपका
no
name funny
pressure,
नहीं
yeah.
है
No pressure.
तो भी आप
No pressure. So
Because they've already made their accounts.
No. See,
You
absolutely.
can't be
Some
like,
people are here only for the content. They don't give a shit. They don't want to engage and all, which I completely understand. Which is
Yeah.
90% of times is us also.
Yeah, on
okay,
YouTube.
it's a rare person or a rare time when you go and actually comment on something that you really are enjoying, right? That's totally fine, absolutely. But if you would like us to engage in a little bit more of a fashion, like how can she slap
Slap
so
yeah, but
like,
even if you are like Swanand Agarwal, we welcome you. Please.
I did- yeah, absolutely, dude. I'm not saying we don't. I'm just putting it out there. It's up to you.
ठीक है.
Do with that
Yes.
what you will.
So as of now 3 caramels and 1 salted.
Again, thank you so much to all the lovely people
yes.
who decided to become our members. Very cool. This episode, a lot to talk about.
Yes.
We'll get to all that infidelity stuff. But the thing is that certain directors and actors are having fallouts, which we did address in the previous episode.
Yes.
But since then, it has blown up even more.
भाई इतनी developments एक दिन में कभी नहीं हुई
कभी
है
नहीं हुई भाई. Especially
कभी भी
एक
नहीं
दिन
हुई
जब
है।
हमने एपिसोड डाला
हाँ,
उसके बाद
उसी के
कभी
बाद
नहीं हुई भाई।
क्रेजी मतलब
Yeah.
आई थिंक जिस दिन हमने एपिसोड डाला है उसके बाद से हेरा फेरी 3 फ्रंट पे परेश रावल एक्चुअली ट्वीटेड कि माय लॉयर हैज गिवन अ बिफिटिंग रिप्लाई एंड
But what was the reply? That's not public, no?
हाँ, that's
Yeah,
not public.
correct. Which is
And
again-
he's apparently returned the signing amount with the GST and everything. And Akshay Kumar
Do you know how much the signing amount would have
11 lakhs plus the GST.
That's it?
Yeah,
11
apparently.
been? Signing amount, bro.
Signing amount है ना?
Still, that's damn
That's
less.
like
dude.
advance, bro.
For one of the 3 leads of the movie.
Bro, it's fine. It's basically a
For
token.
us, it is fine.
Dude,
yes.
signing amount is usually a token only.
It is,
It
but
is.
anyway.
Dude, Paresh Rawal is
11
not
lakhs
wanting for like 11 lakhs here and there.
No,
a
bro.
few
So
crores here and there.
when Arshad Varsi was on Samdish's this thing, he got paid 25 lakhs as a signing amount for some movie, which never even got made.
On what? On Samdish?
On Samdish's interview.
Oh, some Bhatia's. Sunny Bhatia,
So
okay,
Arshad
okay.
Varsi said that he was paid 25 lakhs as a token signing amount.
But again, that's a
हाँ, तो
token
ठीक
signing
है,
amount.
ठीक
And that must have been way back. So in
Dude,
2025.
that's totally, that's
chill.
not the problem at all.
Plus
Paresh Rawal,
GST भी तो था ना?
Yeah.
वो GST बना के 30 लाख हो
Or
जाएगा।
maybe 11 lakh is like the official
no, see,
figure.
especially if it's a token, Paresh Rawal's and Akshay Kumar's or
Will
whatever
be-
relationship would be so
agree.
chill. They'll be like, हाँ ठीक है रख लो यार.
Oh,
It's-
that way.
yeah.
मुझे लगा Akshay Kumar will be way higher.
No,
Obviously.
no, man.
Okay.
Akshay Kumar, firstly, I don't know if he's
He's
producing.
also the
it,
producer.
Yeah, so he
producer.
might not
whatever,
even be
Sunil
taking
Shetty's, yeah.
signing
So that has happened. Sunil Shetty ने ललन टॉप वाले इंटरव्यू में जाहिर किया है कि कैसे he is also very shocked about it.
Did you watch that interview by the way? The
We
Sunil
were
Shetty
all
London
watching
talk?
We were all
Just
watching it.
now.
अभी.
Bro, so yesterday I saw a lot more of it. Like I saw like some
okay.
first 50 minutes or something of it. What an interview! I must
Really,
say,
Sunil Shetty is not very
bro.
exciting to interview.
Firstly,
though.
this what's the
Saurabh. Dwivedi.
Dwivedi, right?
No, Dwivedi.
Dwivedi, yes.
Dwivedi.
Say it.
Saurabh
Yes.
Dwivedi.
Dua Lipa, Saurabh Dua Lipa.
Saurabh Dua Lipa. Saurabh Dua Lipa.
No, I'm just imagining him singing Barbie song. Dwivedi
Firstly,
ji.
he is whatever said and done. Okay, sometimes we feel that he does a very disingenuous job at interviewing the person because he just wants those bites, which is fine.
You.
In this one, he does firstly. Right up top, he got me because he introduces
yeah.
Sunil Shetty in this. Dude, like the first 8 minutes, he does a Snehal where he does not let the guest talk at all. Okay. First 8 minutes, but it's such a lovely intro. You
Yeah.
can see Sunil Shetty tearing up, and he's like, "Dude, I've never been introduced like this." This is,
Yeah.
honestly, it's such a nice thing. Very cool. And then they get into like a whole discussion. So I would absolutely say go watch that after this if you want.
हाँ, पर
It's
पहले
an
हमारा
yeah.
वाला पूरा देख लेना.
Ours is much better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our episode with Sunil Shetty was even better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it happens.
जब भी आएगा. Yes.
when it
yes.
happens. So yes. So what has happened? Talking about developments. Of course, the Paresh Rawal thing.
Yep.
Okay. And Paresh Rawal.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
अभी डेवलपमेंट की बात इतना तो आज ही हाउसफुल 5 का ट्रेलर भी रिलीज हुआ है राइट तो हम लोग उसके बारे में बात करेंगे उसका ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे obviously the cast was there and there's this one reel that is going viral where someone asks Akshay Kumar about the falling out of
At the trailer launch.
at the trailer launch
hilarious.
ठीक है and
so
the journalist basically goes कि people like fans are angry, they are disappointed, they are calling Paresh Rawal ji foolish and all of that ठीक है तो Akshay Kumar loses his shit and Akshay is like I and Paresh Rawal ji and I go way back I like जो भी आपने word use किया है foolish जो आपने word use किया है I don't appreciate of that कि कोई उतने सीनियर एक्टर को ये
हिंदी
वो
बोला?
हम दोनों बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं we will sort it out the matter is serious we have to look into it tread carefully and all of that and then he says आपका नाम क्या है and the journalist says आकाश भटनागर
Wait, who is
अपना आकाश वुड
मेरा
फ्लैट
फ्लैट
में
में
Oh, damn.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आकाश shout out आकाश we'll get him for this we'll get him back soon that is awesome dude that is awesome dude but that is insane that was him
bro crazy
asking that
yes.
question
मजा ही आ गया जब उसने बोला आपका
Insane,
नाम क्या है
dude.
आकाश भटनागर मैं कहा
Insane.
"अबे, ये तो अपना ही सेब गला हुआ है
so quickly getting back to people walking out of films
Yes.
I should say Paresh Rawal
or
का
being asked to leave
और supposedly being asked to leave.
Supposedly, yes.
Turns out, Paresh Rawal ka to we've already
Yeah.
discussed. The other big one, which was in the news, and in the last episode we didn't reveal or we didn't know who she was replaced by, was Deepika Padukone in spirit.
Yes.
Opposite Prabhas has been now replaced by
Not Deepika Padukone in spirit, Deepika Padukone in the movie.
in the
called
movie Spirit and not in Spirit. In Spirit she's been replaced. Physically she's still in the movie.
Yeah.
So she's been replaced by Tripti Dimri in Spirit.
Yeah.
Again, so stupid. But yes, so that's the big reveal.
Yes.
But apparently, behind the scenes, there are even more rumblings of like a big tiff
Oh, crazy.
between Sandeep Reddy Vanga and Deepika Padukone because apparently, so there are like multiple factors.
Multiple theories going around.
No, multiple theories.
Yeah.
The one I've heard is that firstly, she had like a list of demands, which some of which were fair, some of which seemed either superficial or.
आपने कौन से सुने हैं?
So firstly, the pay upgrade,
Yeah.
which again,
Fair.
that's fair for if you're
Top
if the movies
lady.
are that big.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know how much the movie's gonna make if it's Sunny
Exactly,
Deol. That's
exactly.
Absolutely,
Plus, Prabhas would be making still after
Yeah,
the
like
upgrade would be making
7, 8
way
times
more.
Yeah,
more,
way more.
6,
Which,
7 times.
Again, yeah. So Deepika's absolutely in her right to at least you should definitely be able to ask.
Obviously,
अगर मिले ना मिले, push them to nothing wrong.
any actor asking for a pay that he or she or they think that
Any
they
artist.
are worth, any artist,
yeah.
of that they are worth is completely fair.
I say that, and then you know,
आपका तो चलो.
we all know how much I end up charging. So stupid. But so that's the pay grade one, and I heard of course the maternity leave.
Yeah, the working hours.
Sorry, the working hours. She can only work for like 8 hours.
8 hours a day.
Which again, dude, for a new mother, absolutely fair.
Fair.
Completely understandable. Especially if you can demand that. If you're at the position that you can demand that, why the fuck would you not demand that?
Of course,
right?
bhai.
And a couple of more things, like one of which was the cutting down of the romantic, the steamy
The
scenes,
bold scenes,
the bold
yeah,
scenes,
as
or
they've
what
put
have you.
it, yeah.
cut down on Deepika's demands.
No, cut down on the bold scenes in the movie.
In the movie,
those
was
were
Deepika's
demands.
That's what.
That was part of Deepika's demands.
Okay.
And one more thing which I'm forgetting right now.
A little less Telugu dialogues apparently.
Oh yeah, she said कि I will not be dubbing my dialogues
Yeah.
in Telugu, in the Telugu dub version of the movie.
Okay.
Because in all fairness, again, Prabhas apparently won't be dubbing his Hindi dialogues. They probably get someone else to do
मतलब
it.
you
Is
you
what
never
I've
know.
heard.
Yeah, you
Abbas
never know.
has
Yeah,
Abbas नहीं sorry
Yes,
Prabhas.
Abbas, correct.
I do all my voice
Yes,
work, guys, on every show.
Yeah.
Like we were watching the trailer of Thug Life before we started
Yes,
rolling.
yes.
Yeah.
And Kamal Hassan apparently has done his voice in all the languages.
That
it
so
was
clearly
dubbed
sounds
in.
like Kamal Hassan.
Kamal
There's
Hassan,
no
yeah.
mistaking it.
Yeah.
Correct. So,
So wait, which one do you think is the real reason? Just if you had to take a guess.
I think
I think all of them, dude. Like I think
But the Telugu thing is
like not the
because Deepika's voice has been dubbed.
Has
before.
been dubbed,
Yeah.
yeah.
one more thing I did hear
Yeah.
is part of the demands or what have you were ke, if the shoot goes on for longer than 100 days, which was
Yeah.
the proposed schedule, longer than 100 days, she will get more per day. Like of that extra day of shoot. Again, absolutely fair, not anything extravagant that anyone would ask
Also,
for.
100 days of shoot is quite a lot.
That's, I think regular shoot schedules are that, right? Aren't they? I'm not sure. But especially for big films, it makes sense.
Big films, yeah, maybe. I
बट
don't know.
अगेन मैं तो तभी भी ये कहता हूँ कि भाई एक्टर्स अगर या कोई भी आर्टिस्ट अपने क्राफ्ट और अपने उसके लिए इफ द पर्सन इज पुटिंग देयर फुट डाउन इट इज लाइक
Justified,
वर्थ
Yeah, fair.
एंड ऊपर से ऐसा नहीं है ना कि यार कि लाइक शी हैज नॉट प्रूवन हर वर्थ एनीवेयर और वो सीधा रैंडमली लाइक उसने शी इज लाइक 2 फिल्म्स ओल्ड एंड शी इज लाइक मुझे 20 करोड़ दे दो इट्स नॉट
Yeah,
Correct, and
so that's what I was coming to. Sandeep Reddy Vanga took this very maturely, and he did.
Oh,
not,
very maturely,
yeah,
dude.
yeah.
I think no human
Yeah,
in this
like-
world could have taken it more maturely.
As we all know, everything
He's
he
known
takes
for
is
his-
always maturity.
Yeah,
yes.
I
his
think,
graciousness.
Yes, yes.
We're kidding.
In case someone didn't get
Yeah, I swear.
the sarcasm dripping out of our tones. So what did he do, Sandeep?
So he went on Twitter, which is something he does very often, has
Yeah.
done before.
Yeah.
And you want me to read out the tweet that he
Oh,
tweeted?
bro,
yeah,
that
lovely.
is that tweet
हाँ,
is
करा,
day
करा.
2. जब तक आप ढूंढो मैं आपको बताता हूँ day 1 क्या था.
Okay.
So day 1 पे so day 0 is Deepika's exit.
Okay.
ठीक है. Day 1 is this boy Vanga and Tripti announcing that Tripti is now the female
Replacing,
lead
yeah.
with Vanga's caption being the female lead to my
Spirit.
the
My film, Spirit.
my film is now official
Also,
with the smiley
Vanga said my film. He doesn't say film.
Okay.
He does
हाँ
say,
ठीक
just
है
pronounce it
that
wrongly.
and then day 2 अब day 2 तक क्या हुआ है कि there are now multiple theories and Vanga is saying कि दीपिका के PR ने फिल्म का plot leak कर दिया है and ये कर दिया and वो
That's
कर
what
दिया
he tweeted
and
about.
yeah that is what he
Yeah,
tweeted
but,
about
and
on
also like all we know is that there were bold scenes. वो bold scenes leak कर दिया भाई. Hey भाई, talking about the bold
But
scenes, that's it.
the thing is कि वांगा को जर्रा फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना भाई अभी पता चलेगा आपको
Should I read out the
Yes,
tweet?
yes,
Okay,
okay.
this is
This is
day
day 2
2.
day 0 day 1 day 2
Now this is day 2.
So imagine me as Sandeep Reddy Vanga.
जूता चाटो
Misogynist. वो नहीं चटवाता है वो ठीक है. When I narrate a story to an actor, I place 100% faith. There is an unsaid NDA bracket non-disclosure agreement between us.
अगर किसी को नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी लगा हो तो इट्स नॉन डिस्क्लोजर
But fair, that's again a fair
Yeah,
statement.
yeah,
made.
yeah.
But by doing this, you have in caps disclosed the person that you are. Putting down a younger actor and ousting my story? Is this what your feminism stands for?
That is again also fair.
I hope
because
nobody clips this and puts it up online. Is this what your feminism stands for?
this is Abbas speaking.
This is Abbas speaking.
This is Abbas
Yes.
prepared a note to be said to our fans and members.
As a filmmaker, I put years of hard work behind my craft, and for me, filmmaking is everything. You didn't get it. You won't get it. You will never get it.
अरे
And
क्या
then
बात
he
है?
puts in some Hindi.
And you will never have gotten it. All the tenses complete.
ऐसा करो अगली बार पूरी कहानी बोलना क्योंकि मुझे जर्रा भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
That's what I said.
Hashtag dirty PR games. I like this kahavat very much. And the kahavat is smiley face after kahavat. And the kahavat is खुंदक में बिल्ली खंबा नोचे! Exclamation.
हाँ
तूने Abbas.
Wow, wow, wow,
wow 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 wow
I don't know if someone else noticed. Abbas got so in the water.
yeah he's like phone drop कर
He
दूंगा
phone dropped, dude. There was a phone drop moment for Abbas. He became ready only.
Yeah.
He became ready.
Hashtag dirty PR games.
So again, so what happened basically is that on day 1 or so, did you say ki how Deepika's PR reacted?
yeah
Did you mention
So
that?
what is her PR allegedly
like
doing?
they are basically saying कि like all her demands are valid and like she's a
वो तो हमने भी अभी बोला.
हाँ basically हम ही उसका PR है लोगों को पता नहीं हमें दीपिका के
शाहरुख
PR
के
में
भी
हम
हैं,
शाहरुख के PR
दीपिका के
भी
भी
हैं और
हैं.
हम सलमान haters हैं apparently
Correct.
dude literally we've done episodes on praising Salman
और बोल रहे हैं 150 रुपए की मेंबरशिप ले लो भाई.
we've literally spent episodes and episodes praising Salman's work in certain years and in certain films अब क्या करें सिकंदर तो नहीं praise कर सकते ना यार
Correct. So you can see, right, there are certain publications which came out with articles saying that when Deepika was supposedly attached to the film, they were saying like very positive things, like, oh,
Yeah.
this is one of the most female, well-written, well-rounded female characters in any of Reddy Vanga's films. This is gonna
मतलब
change
bar
the...
is very low by the way
Absolutely, absolutely. But they don't mention that in the PR game or whatever.
of course yeah
So like all of that, like saying like extrapolating how fucking or extra exaggerating how important or supposedly progressive the character is in the movie.
Yeah.
And now that Tripti has gotten attached, they have supposedly or completely changed the tune of what they're saying. Now they're like, oh, the bold scenes Deepika had asked to cut down because of which she's out. She and now that's why, so basically implying that they're getting the actress they get for bold scenes.
Is
That's all she's
replaceable,
known for,
yeah.
which is like reducing
Character
Tripti's-
assassination.
Yeah, character assassination. You know,
yeah.
exactly.
Oh damn.
So also Tripti is, dude, a much newer actor in comparison, and
Obviously,
so you shouldn't be doing that to an actor who is that much younger than you or that much newer than you, because who's just trying to get their feet in this world.
industry
So not cool. If and this is
मतलब if
apparently
at all this is their game
Yeah.
then not
very bizarre times. What do you think?
I don't know. I just feel like see Sandeep Reddy Vanga. I have like I've not really enjoyed his films, but he's just such a interesting character. Like he's rubbing everybody big names off the wrong way in Bollywood, which is very interesting to see.
Javed
Right?
Akhtar, yes.
Javed Akhtar,
Kiran Rao.
Deepika. When Animal came out, there was so many. Every day he used to take pick a fight on Twitter.
and then say कि मुझे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता
जर्रा फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
जर्रा फर्क नहीं पड़ता
So
हर चीज से फर्क पड़ता है, पर बोलना है कि
at the end of the day, he might be the most interesting things about his films. I feel.
yeah.
so my take is that we should let the topic be and go to Houseful 5
सेव क्लिक यार मेरे को
अरे,
सारा
पर द प्रॉब्लम इज कि अभी हमें हाउसफुल 5 डिस्कस
Sure,
करना है,
yeah.
फिर
And then
हमें
you have
मेन
to-
टॉपिक पे आना है.
Infidelity.
Yeah,
yes.
which is like it's gonna be a long one. I
हाँ,
think.
जिसके लिए आप थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा एक्साइटेड हो बिकॉज यू हैव इंटरेस्टिंग टॉकिंग पॉइंट्स.
Oh, we are very interesting
Very
talking points.
interesting.
Please stay tuned for those.
Yes.
But getting to why we chose this topic was
Yeah.
because the Houseful 5 trailer is out, and apparently a plot point on that is the cheating angle.
Yeah, वो डायलॉग भी है कि तो तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, इसकी
हाँ,
गर्लफ्रेंड
तेरी
उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है,
girlfriend
और मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड सबकी.
Yeah, that's okay. That's apparently what is happening in
Houseful 5. Yeah.
Okay, and there's a lot more happening. It's like a
Yes.
who done it and
Yeah.
what have
It's
you.
like
You've seen the
Knives
trailer.
Out, but funny.
Knives
Yeah.
Out नहीं, it's like a death on the Nile. Yeah.
अच्छा, वो
Oh, is it?
Wolo Pokad.
Yeah, but
Pakwa.
they're definitely.
Hercule Poirot.
हाँ, Hercule Poirot. हाँ.
So yeah, there's
पकोड़ा बना दिया मैंने
basically a who done it,
Yeah.
right? And with every other actor in it.
Every
So
other
many
actor in it, plus so many references to previous
movies,
Houseful
yeah.
Previous
movies.
movies and inside
Other
the
movies.
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या था Jackie Chan
Yeah,
वाला
dude.
dialogue.
Dude, how is the monkey in 2025 looking worse than the monkey in fucking 2000 whenever the
hilarious.
first one came out, dude?
What I would say is fucking these guys always reveal too much. The trailer should have stopped at the introduction of the three jollies, and that's it. And the rest of the movie.
भाई वो पहला ही
भाई
वही तो,
पूरा
that's it.
टीजर होता वो.
But that's it. You should not put on more, dude. All the सारे jokes तो बता दिए. ऐसा लग रहा
आपको
है.
अरे भाई अभी बहुत जोक होंगे
Bro,
उसके
I
अंदर. आप
hope.
नाडियाड
You
वाला
can
वो
only
मत
hope.
दो.
You can
हाँ,
only-
जोक.
You can only hope for that. But the thing is, some of these moments would have been amazing. Like Sanjay and Jackie Shroff being in the movie would have been a great reveal for in the movie.
Bro, but we all spoke about the Singham Again trailer, right? Where we were saying the
Yeah.
same thing that you. But then that's what. Speaking
that's-
of PR,
that
that is
doesn't
what. That is what the advertisers and the investors demand. That whatever you can show to get people to the
But
theaters. show it.
that's
That
what
doesn't make it
we're
right,
वही
right?
ना. तो भाई अब
Sure.
डिबेट ही वही है ना कि कहाँ तक कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन हो गया है और कितने डिसीजंस कौन कंट्रोल कर रहा है, क्योंकि पैसा, फाइनेंसर्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट, बहुत सारी चीजें आ गई है ना. तो क्रिएटिव लिबर्टीज कम होके अब रिक्वायरमेंट्स ज्यादा
You
बन
can't
गए
be
हैं.
artistic
Yeah.
anymore.
और वैसे भी
Yeah,
मतलब
with Houseful.
हाउसफुल में also
never
like the
artistic.
new like one thing that Nadyadwala was talking about on the trailer launch is that he has shot apparently
Virgins.
two versions. Yeah. So one of the versions has one killer and the other one has like a
Oh,
different
acha.
killer. So he's basically saying that I'm releasing two versions of the film. तो अगर आप there are chances कि अगर आप हॉल नंबर 4 में हाउसफुल 5 देख रहे हो तो उसमें आपका किलर कोई और निकले और हॉल नंबर 6 में किलर कोई और हो.
Oh, is that what he's saying?
Yeah.
He's put this out there.
Yeah.
Okay, again, that's an interesting.
भाई सोचो लेकिन
Balls,
भाई-
it's interesting.
भाई,
Bro, it's
no,
like such a
because-
last ditch effort.
भाई
Correct.
अब ये देखो ना, अब ये सोचो कि अगर वो ना बोलता,
हाँ.
ठीक है, आप देख कर आए बोले यार अभिषेक
अरे,
बच्चन,
तूने क्या
मैंने
देखी?
आप क्या पागल बात सो रहे थे क्या, अक्षय कुमार है किलर, और हम आधा घंटा इसी पे लड़ रहे हैं क्योंकि हम दोनों
Interesting.
पिक्चर देख कर
That is
आए हैं.
fascinating. So see, if he's doing this just so that कि अगर picture अच्छी लग गई, okay, then someone might be interested in watching the alternate ending. That's good. Okay, but if he's doing this make people just trick them into going to watch the movie again.
हाँ.
So that
Take a guess. Which do you think it is?
I think it's the latter, but I hope it's the former. I hope it's that he actually thinks he's make a good product, so that people will want to go and watch.
Bro,
the
I was
alternate.
watching. I was reading Reddit after like watching the trailer. Bro, funnily enough, people are okay with the trailer.
People are crazy.
Bhai, people were
After,
shitting on War 2 ka teaser, but they
After
are
Nadania came out, they were saying Student of the Year was such a great film. So people cannot be trusted. Fuck people.
fuck people.
बहुत टट्टी ट्रेलर लगा मेरे को. पहले 2-3 सेकंड में मुझे लगा कि वो जो अक्षय कुमार की वो फिल्म नहीं थी जो रीमेक खेल खेल में,
हाँ.
मुझे लग रहा है ये उसी के सेट
फरदीन
पे
खान भी है इसमें.
फरदीन खान भी है, ये वो
हाँ.
सेटअप भी वैसे ही कर रहे हैं. Then that क्या जुलाल
Jolly.
Jolly.
Jalaluddin.
नहीं,
जुलाबुद्दीन. Bro,
Jalaluddin.
1998 के SMS जोक्स हैं यार ये.
Yeah.
कुछ तो ढंग का करो.
But that was always
the only
the other households also have this very.
I know,
juvenile
but
humor.
bro, you're on the 5th version of your
Sure.
franchise.
But it's not evolving. It's
and
gonna devolve. only.
shoving Nana Patekar is such a sorry attempt to be like, you liked Welcome. Here's a little of Welcome also in this
And the
movie.
funny thing, he's not in Welcome now.
Is he not in the next
Yeah, he's
Welcome?
been replaced by Sanjay Dutt.
That doesn't make any sense. sense, dude.
Who is also in this film.
Who's in this film also, by the way.
And Jackie Shroff is also there.
And the dhoti wala thing last line
हाँ,
is
वो
for,
दिखी दिखी.
Hera Peri kind of
हाँ,
this thing
humor.
है, उठा ले
तो परेश रावल को ले लेते
and
हैं.
at the I was saying the only bright spot I felt was maybe this seemed like that Akshay Kumar going into his comedy zone again. There's
Yeah.
that one line was like nurse है injection लगवा रहा है. That
हाँ.
was a little bit of okay. This is what Akshay's comedy used to be like.
But
I
कितना
don't
ही
have-
बचाएगा ना अकेला
Exactly.
वो.
I
But
don't have.
I must say, I do really like the Lal Pari song. I think it's very catchy.
Yo Honey
Lal Pari,
Singh.
Lal Pari. Yeah, Honey Singh is having a comeback and amazing, dude.
फिर ये शिप
Crazy,
में जेल है अभी आगे जाके तो टोल नाका भी बनाना है. I'm like bro
Yeah,
really
that
Antarik,
is
really
horrible. That was horrible. That didn't make any sense. That was terrible. Like Johnny Lever is just wasted. Dude.
The fact that Abbas was dissing the joke and the moment he
It's
said
like,
that, Andre's like,
So
ये
bad.
दोनों वर्जन देखने जाएगा like
Yeah,
Bro,
sorry,
yeah, you're
sorry,
the audience.
sorry. I'm a big Lord of the
But,
Rings fan. I love alternate endings.
Well, it's coming in June next month.
yeah, I think
so.
26th.
Oh, 26th. 4 days before the Himesh Reshammiya concert.
अरे भाई हिमेश रेशमिया कॉन्सर्ट अभी 4 दिन बाद है.
कब है डेट क्या?
भाई 31 मई को
Oh,
है.
31 May. Oh, sorry, dude. Month. I got the month wrong. Oh, you said June.
और जून में 31 होती ही नहीं है.
Yeah, correct.
Please take membership, guys.
We are bad at maths. We need
ऐसा
whatever-
ब्रेन रॉट आपको और कहाँ
Yes,
मिलेगा?
और किधर?
But you think it'll be a hit?
No.
Yeah, I think it'll be a hit.
Hit.
So the thing is, this trailer I found more entertaining than War 2.
Bro, a lot of people on Reddit are
Chalk
saying
and
this.
cheese,
What the
bro.
fuck, dude?
Regardless, as whether you enjoyed a trailer or not, whether you know, if I don't like the Houseful franchise at all. Okay, if I am
6
now,
जून, sorry, 6 जून. 26 जून नहीं,
okay.
6 जून. It's
अगले
like
हफ्ते.
next to next week.
Next to
so
next
listen, no,
week.
if I don't watch I don't like the Houseful franchise at all as films. Okay, none of them I've liked, almost none of them. Okay, if this trailer makes me 5% more likely to watch that film, I would say it's a successful trailer.
Does it?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
I would say at least I know it'll be like, time pass, brain rot, humor that I can at least go and have a decent time. Dude, War 2
That's
will
my
tire
problem.
me. War 2 will tire me in comparison.
हम तीन लोग अभी इनफिडेलिटी जैसे सीरियस इशू पे कॉन्वर्सेशन करने वाले हैं जो हम अभी कॉन्वर्सेशन कर
But
रहे
it's
हैं
gonna be a
कि
very light, casual conversation. Dude.
चल फिर ठीक है.
Like Bollywood treats
Like, yeah.
infidelity.
So,
huh?
tell us what you think Houseful 5 will be like,
Yeah.
and what your expectations are, and how you liked or disliked the trailer.
ठीक है then. ठीक है भाई.
अब हम बात करेंगे
हैं.
चीटिंग के बारे में. यहाँ पे पर वो डाल देंगे प्रकाश राज को.
Cheating, bang.
करता है तो.
That should be the name of the episode. Cheating, bang, bang.
Also, if till this point you are under the age of 18 and have been listening, you should stop listening right now.
Hey,
because
don't say that shit.
अरे भाई.
That's not on us, man. You
मैं-
watch
हाँ,
what you
भाई,
want to
तुम
watch.
You
man.
want
What
to
the
tell
hell?
kids how to cheat?
No,
Okay.
we are gonna say कि इस मूवी में अच्छे से दिखाई है.
No, when we see if you are under 18 and you hear us say the word cheat, assume it means cheat in exams.
Exams,
only.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cheat in exams against your spouse. That's how you do it.
Also not a good thing to cheat in exams,
Yeah.
but okay.
You know when
But-
the other person, then your friend shows you better answers, and you're like, I like these answers.
because you were bored from your book.
Correct. Yes, you get it.
Anyway,
Sorry.
yes. So
Uh,
let's get into it.
Okay. Firstly,
That's what he said to the other girl.
or to the first one, man. You can do it with both. That's
Okay.
part of why cheating is awesome. Why? Okay.
That's what she
Why?
asked.
Firstly,
Well, she
why
was
would you do
hot.
this? Secondly, why do you think infidelity movies are so popular? In the sense, there are so many of them.
Yeah.
मतलब
In Bollywood and
हाँ.
beyond. I'm not saying Bollywood में कुछ खास है. Everywhere.
Yeah.
Why there's so fucking many of them?
Because it is the
the
reality
fucking-
that we don't want to
Yes.
address.
It's like we're living vicariously through others.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. So the
yes.
thing is, but like while researching for this topic, I realized कि अगर मूवी का सेंट्रल प्लॉट इनफिडेलिटी नहीं है बट किसी ना किसी ट्रैक में है एंड बहुत सारी पॉपुलर फिल्म्स में है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू टॉकिंग अबाउट मैहूना, राइट? सो मैहूना का अगर आप ओवरऑल प्लॉट देखो दैट इज कंप्लीटली
Yeah,
डिफरेंट,
yeah.
बट उसके अंदर कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग एक सब प्लॉट है ऑफ इनफिडेलिटी. सो ऐसे बहुत सारी फिल्म्स हैं जिसमें
Yeah, I just thought of something when you said that infidelity is also used as character development. In the sense, if you want to show that someone is a good character or a bad character, okay, you can show them cheating on their spouse.
That's what I'm saying. Like if it's a character that you're rooting for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you reveal this person actually cheated on their
Yeah.
spouse. You're instantly
Absolutely right.
rooting for them takes a backseat. Like,
Yeah.
Absolutely
oh
right.
shit,
Yeah.
I didn't expect
Great.
them to do
Yeah,
this.
exactly.
So yeah,
Absolutely
and similarly, if it's a really if it's a character you're not rooting for, but then you found out, oh shit, their husband cheated on them or wife cheated on them, you're like, "Arey bichara yaar."
That was one of my questions.
Yeah.
Does it then,
Hmm.
like in a movie, right? Especially like, there's also a discussion to be had whether Bollywood glorifies infidelity or not. That's we can get into that also if you guys want. But you know, very often the thing they will do in Bollywood, especially that I've noticed in Bollywood, I'm sure they do in other fucking industries also, is that they will show that the partner is cheating because their spouse is emotionally unavailable,
Yeah.
or you know, like not loving, or in whatever
Yeah.
way they
Yeah.
want to show this,
Yeah.
and then that justifies the cheating in the movie.
So I have a problem with the word justification here. Like I think
Oh.
हाँ नहीं genuinely कह रहा हूँ कि I think
प्रॉब्लम तो इंग्लिश में है.
justification is not probably the right word. That can serve as a reason and probably like एक void fill करने का तरीका. But then again, the question is कि do you in any form justify cheating? Like is cheating justified?
So
the movie
that's the
can
morality of it.
the-
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ, that's the
movie-
morality part of
The
it.
movie can take that position,
Yeah.
right? For a
Yeah,
character.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna or
कभी
even-
अलविदा ना कहना actually
it has
yeah.
more nuance than a lot of other
exactly.
movies.
Sure,
Which
where I really feel for the Preeti and Shahrukh character when I'm like they actually have been
Rani and Shahrukh.
Rani and Shahrukh, where I'm like they're unhappy in their marriages. That's why they are looking for something else, right?
Yep, sure.
But my point was a movie can justify if it wants.
If it so wants to, it's
मैं वही कह रहा भाई this is
Like
this is
Sandeep Reddy
You're
was-
saying it's not as black and white. In
Yeah,
real life.
like
That's-
see,
that's
like
it.
clearly in Animal, Ranbir was justified to cheat on Rashmika.
and
how
then he
else would he have
and
found out?
then he was also justified to tell रश्मिका कि अगर मैं मर जाऊं तो तुम यहीं पड़ी रहना
हाँ,
लेकिन
तुम
ठीक है हाँ
चीट मत कर सकते,
हाँ,
तुम चीट नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं भाई मरने के बाद भी चीट क्यों काउंट होगा वो
वो रणवीर के लिए है ना.
हाँ रणबीर ऑफ कोर्स
रणबीर,
because he is there in spirit
Nicely done. That's perfect. Then coming to then, do you think when in most movies cheating is shown, it is shown as a glorification of it, and does that matter in actual how it is portrayed
so
matters to society?
Kank actually got into a lot of controversy
Yeah,
because
yeah.
people said that it actually glorifies cheating.
Yeah.
बट लाइक जैसे जैसे बड़े होके अगर आप वो फिल्म देखो तो आपको रियलाइज होता है कि देयर इज टू मच टू इट एंड देयर इज जस्ट नॉट कि ओ यू नो चीट कर रहे थे तो वो स्टोरी ऐसी बना दी तो मतलब वो ग्लोरीफाई किया.
So here I have a problem with the word glorification.
Yeah.
Because like let's take Kank as an example. Again, our society comes from a place where if you are married to someone, then you have to spend the rest of your
Yeah,
life with
yeah,
them,
sure.
right?
Exactly.
Sure, yeah.
The idea that you might be unhappy in your marriage and maybe you found someone else, that love in someone else is a blasphemous idea.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
if you show that in a movie in India, for the most part, for the like until very recently, people would say कि तुम गलत चीज दिखा रहे हो, तुम glorify कर रहे हो cheat करना. Whereas the filmmaker's defense or the writer's defense can be, no, I'm showing a human side of a person. People
Yeah.
can
Correct.
fall in love multiple times, but हम वहीं से आते हैं ना कि शादी एक बार होती है, प्यार एक
The
बार, और उसी पिक्चर में
उसी पिक्चर में 2 बार होती
और
है.
उसके लिए बीवी को मरना पड़ेगा. Like,
हाँ.
अगर
हाँ,
वो
और
नहीं हुआ,
एक सेकंड मरने के बाद उसका साड़ी का उड़ना भी पड़ेगा. उसके बाद ही प्यार होगा.
yes, good
उसके
point.
पहले
Yes,
नहीं हो
उसके
पाएगा.
पहले नहीं
That's
होगा.
true. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, he has a problem with the word justification. I have a problem with the word
Glorification.
glorification.
Yeah.
All right.
So what other words do you have?
Californication.
Lot of infidelity in that show.
It's crazy. Quick side note. I have to talk about Californication, the song, because
Yeah,
you said it.
हाँ,
The
Okay.
RHCP song.
RHCP song,
Yeah.
one of my favorite songs.
Same,
RHCP is one of my
same,
favorite bands.
Great music video also.
Yeah.
Absolutely, one of the finest.
RHCP basically Red Hot
Chili
Peppers.
Peppers.
Yeah.
Did you know? Okay, this blew my mind because I found out about this 3 weeks back.
Okay.
After being a lifelong fan of Californication, the song. Did you know that before they released Californication, the song, in the version that it exists today,
Yeah.
they also recorded a reggae version of the song,
Oh.
which is available on YouTube to listen to.
Really?
And it's a banger. Okay. I mean, I completely understand.
Californication man.
इतना भी नहीं भाई, ये जमैका से नहीं है. But so basically, of course, you understand why they went with the version they went, because it is a more refined version.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
this was they were trying different tunes out and all, obviously. Okay, and obviously in hindsight, it's one of their biggest hits, so you cannot say, oh, they were
Of
you
course,
could go
of
another
course,
version.
yeah.
But this is also an amazing version. So now I put it out in the world. You'll thank me. Please go check it out. It is there
Yeah.
on YouTube to check out. Just type Californication, RCP,
Reggae.
and it should work. Okay, coming back.
Yeah. Infidelity.
Crazy. Infidelity.
You can cheat on the
Cal-
regular
or is
version
Californication,
by
yes.
listening to the reggae version.
I do feel like you don't like so dude, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because I've now heard the reggae version like at least 10 times since I found out about it.
Wow,
And each time I
okay
like it a
then.
little bit more. And in my head I'm trying to like understand, do I like this more than the original or not? It's like a little bit of a dilemma
Yeah,
because I
yeah.
love the original so much, but this
Yeah.
one is a really fucking
Wait till
Nice.
the original finds out.
the original life. Okay. Do you think so? This is of course the case, right? But I want to see what is the solution, or where do you guys stand on? Okay, is it up to the filmmaker? Okay,
Are we in therapy? Is this a therapy?
no,
session?
I'm just trying to like,
Okay,
I'm just trying to
fine.
get.
Abbas bhai, please personal mat ho
I'm
yahan
trying to
pe.
have a good pop conversation here.
Sure, yeah, so
Okay.
much popcorn. Oh my
Yeah,
God,
yeah.
So
Yeah.
basically,
Uh,
is it very gendered, the portrayals, like as in like different norms for men and women when it comes to cheating or infidelity in movies?
you wanna take
यार आई थिंक पता है मैं एक्चुअली मिडवे टू द कॉन्वर्सेशन आई वाज लाइक यहाँ पे कीर्ति को होना चाहिए था एक्चुअली टू द थिंग इज नहीं जेन्युइनली पता है
I know,
बिकॉज
yeah.
देयर शुड बी लाइक
A woman's
वुमन्स टेक ऑन दिस राइट
Yeah.
बिकॉज हम लोग तो एक ही डायरेक्ट मतलब like जैसा भी हो जितना भी फिल्म नॉलेज हो जिसका ऊपर नीचे हो डायरेक्शन तो वही मर्दों वाला सोच है ना एट द एंड ऑफ द डे
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक द वे लाइक अ वुमन वुड हैव परसीव्ड चीटिंग दैट वुड हैव ओपनड मोर एवेन्यूज फॉर द कॉन्वर्सेशन
Okay,
बुला लो कीर्ति को
बुला सकते हैं. Okay,
Kirti, what do you think about cheating? You want my answer?
yes, please.
I'm gonna say something which might get me a lot of hate. But I think men by default are philanderers and women are by default more complicated creatures than men. Okay?
Sure.
For women, the options available are a lot more. If they want to find someone else, it will not take them very long. Okay? It's relatively easy for them.
That's true.
For men, it's an achievement if another woman shows interest in them.
Yeah.
So they wear it as a badge of honor. Okay, that dynamic is where where good storytelling lies. So the
That's
film.
such a good take, dude.
So,
Fuck,
so
that's
the
amazing.
the,
Yeah.
the film Masoom, for example, from the 80s.
yeah crazy film
That movie is mostly from the point of view of Shabana Azmi, where there's a kid living with them in a family from a woman that her husband slept with, and it's not her child.
yeah
And Jugal Hansraj is like the cutest little button in that
yeah.
movie.
Oh, yeah?
But Shabana Azmi can't get to love him because she's like he belongs to some other woman. He's the reminder that my husband slept with another woman at some point.
Like Kiran Kher in
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 Mehuna.
Mehuna, yeah. So,
yeah so
Farah
Mehuna ka
Khan
subplot
yeah.
is the plot of
of
Masoom.
Masoom, yeah.
Sure.
And guess the common link Naziruddin Shah
Nasruddin Shah, yes.
He's the philanderer.
Yeah, Nasruddin Shah has philandered in many movies.
many
sure,
films,
sure, sure, sure.
But the Nasruddin Shah character in that movie, his whole thing कि अब मैं अपनी बीवी को कैसे convince करूं कि हाँ मेरे से गलती हो गई और ये है
पर इसमें बच्चे की गलती नहीं है
तो बच्चे की गलती
इसमें
नहीं
Again, you're talking about
हाँ.
Mehuna, right?
है. So I think that as long as movies get that point across, that is what it makes it interesting for me. Now the thing is, you have films like Masti, Grand Masti,
Yeah.
No Entry, which are funny. Yes, I also find them hilarious. But they make light of cheating because they are made by men for men.
Yeah, that's true. That makes sense, man.
Fair.
Absolutely. I think that's the perfect take. Thank you. Baba.
चलो
Thank you,
thanks
guys.
thanks
See
guys
you
that's the
guys.
episode
I don't think स्नेहिल और मेरे से तो ऐसे थॉट्स नहीं निकल रहे भाई. ऐसा इंटेलेक्चुअली एनालाइज्ड मैं तो नहीं कर रहा भाई. Okay, ठीक है. चलो then.
Yeah.
Let's get to is every love triangle cheating?
no
Okay, which one can you think of which is not? Yeah.
Interesting. I mean, threesome,
Oh, you're talking about कुछ होता है.
polyamory.
Yeah, so that's what ना like depends कि जो love triangle है वो किस equation में है. Love triangle तो बड़े तरीके के हो सकते हैं भाई. And without marriage love triangle अगर कुछ होता है में for example that's not cheating.
But kuch, again, one
But
person
Salman-
is out of the equation in
Yeah,
kuch hota hai.
that.
Huh?
The actual
Oh,
love
you-
triangle is Salman, Shah Rukh, and Kajol actually because they're alive.
Or are
They're
you
alive.
talking about Kajol, Rani,
यार
Shahrukh?
दोनों ही love triangles में कहीं पे भी cheating involved नहीं है.
Of course, Kajol and Shah Rukh का वो that is emotional cheating.
मतलब यार the thing is
Dude,
कि
again, so again, what you define as cheating also then is a
हाँ,
question.
no,
that's there but Kajol I don't think
She expressed her love for Rahul.
या मतलब
Bro,
I
वो
think
तो दिख ही रहा था भाई, हम अंधे हैं क्या?
No, but I think what Sneha is trying to imply is that yeah, there was no cheating in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. These two girls interested in the same boy.
No, I'm talking about later in the movie.
हाँ.
She's definitely cheating on her fiance to be or fiance.
Oh, emotional cheating.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, without a doubt. So yeah, there's
one of the options that I have on my list is actually emotional cheating का example.
okay, really,
Okay,
dude.
okay.
I know then what example you have.
Oh fuck dude आपके
Can I-
पास ही वही है
Can
क्या?
I just say it?
चलो let's say it on 3.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. The lunchbox. Yes.
Did you also have lunchbox?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah,
good.
lunchbox was
Of
one.
course.
Dude, it's
The Nimrat
Of
Kaur
course.
character.
yeah, the prime example of and like one of the most popular ones.
So
Yeah.
then, according to you,
But एक second, I think उसका husband भी cheat कर रहा होता ना
it's
निम्रत
I
पे.
think it's
That's
implied.
implied.
Someone
That's
in
implied.
his
हाँ,
office
हाँ,
he
हाँ,
has.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
then
Imagine
so then
yeah, okay, sorry, go ahead.
so then in this movie is Nimrat's character quote unquote justified to reciprocate.
According to the movie, yes.
मैं वही तो बोला ना भाई स्टार्टिंग में जस्टिफिकेशन वर्ड ना चीजों को ब्लैक और व्हाइट में डाल देता है.
Okay.
तो मेरे लिए अगर चीटिंग जैसा जो भी जिस भी कॉन्सेप्ट में मॉरल कंपस इन्वॉल्व है वो उसको आप कभी भी ब्लैक और व्हाइट में डाल ही नहीं सकते.
Okay.
इट विल ऑलवेज बी लेयर्ड, इट विल ऑलवेज बी सब्जेक्टिव, इट विल ऑलवेज बी फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अफेक्टेड बाय अ लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशंस. तो उसको मैं जस्टिफाई बोलूं या उसको ग्लोरिफिकेशन बोलूं वो एक एक्सट्रीम में डालना
Got it.
सही नहीं रहेगा.
But and I would say no, she's not justified in doing this. But yes, lunchbox
is actually a very good
absolutely-
choice. It didn't even cross my mind. Well done, guys.
कोई नहीं यार आप सीख जाओगे हमारे साथ. It's fine.
Yeah, we all have our strengths.
Yeah, you give
You are
one
good
good
at yeah,
take, we
yeah,
give
yeah,
one
right,
good
right,
option.
that's
It's fine.
what it is, dude.
It's all good.
What do you think? Are all triangles?
For the most part, yes, because usually how love triangles are shown is
Then
not that
where does conflict come in? You can be conflicted between choosing between two people.
conflict. But you see, conflicted is fine. But if you are conflicted because you are already seeing one person and then you start liking another, that's cheating. And most of the cases of conflict,
What
are
does
shown.
seeing mean by?
Dating, married to whatever. That's what seeing means.
Right? Okay, if you're, I'll paint a. Actually, let's. Take
Also, if you're not clear with your first partner that either you're conflicted or that things between us are not serious, how it would be in real life,
Yeah.
then that's actually cheating, I would say.
Okay,
Also,
so define cheating in a very
Layman
Cheating,
Where
yeah.
does cheating start?
For you.
Okay. Physical cheating, of course.
So of course,
starts
yeah,
with
you
physical
sleep with someone, kiss someone,
cheating.
whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Emotional cheating.
Hold hands.
Hold hands.
Yes,
I would
dude.
say. Yeah. Okay.
It's fine.
Hold hands is more emotional cheating than physical cheating, actually.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Huh.
I actually about emotional cheating is a little more difficult to define because
Okay.
how do you?
Yeah.
But of course, if you can tell your spouse or the person you're with is starting to fall for another person, that's absolutely cheating, whether they've met or not. Also, like Lunchbox is absolutely emotional cheating because she's sharing her secrets.
Exactly,
Her
yeah,
she's
yeah,
she wants to be romantically involved, and you can
Yeah.
see it
Yeah.
like that. And she, in her own mind, is now less attracted to her
husband.
current husband because she is more in love or attracted to
With this stranger,
yeah.
sorry.
Those
So
stranger. Yes.
that's what constitutes emotional cheating for the most
Okay.
part for me.
Fair enough.
Alia Bhatt famously got into a lot of controversy when she said कि emotional cheating matters to me more than physical cheating.
That's fair. I think that's
Why did she get into trouble for that?
भाई क्योंकि लोग चूती हैं. मजाक, sorry दोस्तों. Everybody.
no, not you guys.
Please take membership.
Not you guys. yeah.
Yeah. Wow, this episode got very heavy,
Heavy,
very
dude.
fast.
People would tune out.
No, they won't. They won't.
So Lunchbox, if you were to talk about the cheating aspect of it, is it
पता प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या मेरे माइंड में ना अभी तक like I cannot like I don't think I'm able to come to terms with the word cheating only when it comes to Lunchbox, because cheating in itself has such a negative connotation when it comes to the society.
Correct.
And Lunchbox is like portrays it in such a pure way.
I would say
So that
it's,
is the victory of the movie.
Obviously.
so like there's a sentiment among men that I've heard. Okay, like I'm sure you guys also must have come across this at some point in my life. The sentiment is that when you so see, if you get cheated on, okay, it hurts obviously, but it hurts a little less if the other two people were soulmates in a way.
But
You know what I mean? Like if those two people got married, like their love was so intense, then it's a little more understandable and it hurts a little bit less. Might hurt as much, but it's
I
not
would
more
be
than-
even more jealous.
Yeah, bro.
They got
Oh,
married.
really? Oh, really? So I
Like मेरे साथ exactly हुआ है and I'm not very happy.
oh shit
and he's the guy who 2 minutes ago was like,
dude.
cheating is a very.
Wow, dude. You can't justify. Let's not justify. We don't
Sally.
need to justify. We don't need to talk about cheating and justification. It's वही हुआ है साले के साथ.
Basically, you're saying what Aman from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai would feel. So Rahul and Anjali are soulmates. They should be together.
Yeah, that's why he. Dil to pagal hai also. Akshay Kumar at the end is like, yeah, go with Madhuri, go with Shah Rukh Khan, bro.
So in filmmaking terms, right? I was thinking like, for example, Silsila.
Ki chahat ka
You
maine-
don't hate any of the 4 people involved here, right?
You hate the situation.
You hate
Yeah.
the situation.
You hate Jaya Bachchan.
What the fuck?
Why for no reason?
I swear, dude.
मुझे क्यों मारा?
She's actually the most decent, innocent
Yeah.
character in the film.
So in filmmaking terms, it's because the filmmaker there is Yash Chopra, who again understands that nuance, understands how to play with this situation.
Yeah.
Also, the
Pagal Hai.
director of Dil To Pagal Hai, right?
Dil to Pagal
So Dildo Pagal. Sorry, Yashank.
अच्छा खासा serious conversation के बीच में dildo.
So I'm saying that there's a reason why Yash
Yeah.
Chopra was known as the king of romance, right? So why did I get here? What was your initial question?
What is the original question?
सिलसिला के बारे में बात हो रही
yeah,
थी
कुछ तो about who would you blame?
कि वही eventual शादी soulmate
Soulmates
हाँ,
वाली चीज. So in Silsila, either of the permutations can be called soulmates, right? It's just that the film is nudging us in a direction where it's pushing us to see, no, these two are soulmates, and yet you don't feel क्या वर्ड यूज करूँ यार, आपको खुंदक या खुन्नस नहीं आती है उनकी तरफ. You still get the point of why they are attracted to each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Now, one of the most beautiful songs ever is in the movie The Neela Asma.
Oh, crazy.
Oh, gives me chills every time, dude.
So even in a gendered thing, right? जिसके ऊपर जिसके ऊपर चीटिंग होती है, चीटी, you feel bad for them, and the person cheating,
हाँ
आपको उसके लिए
जो cheater,
हाँ, you cheater. Why? The only movie I could think of which is like sort of an exception for this is the movie Judai. Where
एक second, I'll tell you. So while I was making my list, now I
Yeah.
had Judai in my list.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
And I was
this
like-
is the Anil Kapoor.
Yeah.
where
Urmila
Anil Kapoor is
Matondkar,
technically the one quote unquote cheating, but then it's like
but his wife is making
his
him,
wife is like, yeah, I'm selling you
bro,
off. to
chori
the-"
chori chupke chupke.
I know.
Allowed
I-
cheating. Allowed cheating. She's nudging him again.
Yeah, but she's like, go come inside her.
Yeah, why don't you? Are you crazy? We want a baby, dude.
I think सबसे मर्द तरीके से हम सबसे डेलिकेट टॉपिक से डील कर रहे हैं. Like,
अरे
अब Bollywood में ऐसे ही करता है हमारे घर
It's
से.
literally that
Yeah,
part of the
correct,
movie.
yeah.
But Judai, why did you not put Judai in your
यार
list?
because जुदाई, so एक तो I thought that there are better films
Okay,
than
so
जुदाई
fair.
that cater to infidelity or that have infidelity as their centerpiece. But जुदाई के साथ ना मैं like I couldn't side or I couldn't make up my mind कि what do I present. It was like it would have been like in चलो मैंने नाम फेंक दिया, अब डिस्कस करते हैं,
हाँ.
ठीक है, because जुदाई is basically business.
Exactly, yeah,
Yeah.
which is a new spin on the
on infidelity.
adultery or
I don't think जब
infidelity.
लोग मेकर्स वो फिल्म बना रहे थे तो उन्होंने इनफिडेलिटी को सोचा भी होगा.
हाँ.
उनको ये लगा कि चलो बिजनेस ठीक है. और उसमें there's this such a funny dialogue where Urmila goes to Anil and she says कि आपने खाना खा लिया नहीं, मैंने खा लिया, कि औरत को कुछ और भी चाहिए होता है
जब तक पति के पेट में दाना न जाए.
हाँ ठीक है वो तो है. एंड देन लाइक लोग खा लो एंड लाइक औरत की भूख सिर्फ इससे नहीं मिटती है. लाइक और किससे मिटती है ब्रो?
What's wrong with that statement,
know,
bro?
bro.
Yeah, desires are desires. Yeah, male or female.
उसके अंदर वो सीन है ना कि जब वो उसका आंसू गिरता है तो वो आंसू पकड़ के ऐसा माथे में लगा लेती है ब्रो. क्रेजी ब्रो.
Okay, so there's a particular day, okay,
Hmm.
in November 2005. Particularly, the day is 2nd of November
Shahruk's
2005.
birthday.
Is it 2nd November?
Yep.
Sorry, I said November, right? Yeah, 2nd November 2005.
Second number, yeah.
Where two movies based on infidelity released. Okay, both on the same day. Actually, 3 movies released, but one of them was not
On infidelity.
on infidelity. Okay, the 3 movies that released on the same day were Kyunki, Garam Masala, and Shadi Number 1.
Okay.
Okay,
Who's in Shadi number 1? Just
I'll tell
remind me
you.
again.
So, Kyunki is the one that is not about cheating. Okay,
Salman bhai.
but there is a
and,
love triangle actually. There is a love triangle.
newcomer, right?
No, Rimi and Kareena.
Kareena and Salman
okay,
bhai.
yeah.
Jackie Shroff is like the villainish character or whatever.
सुनील पाल का एक जोक था ना कि लोगों ने ये पिक्चर देख के सलमान को पूछा ये फिल्म क्यों की. Thank you. Let's carry on. Yes.
Sunil Pal.
Kyunki is fuck on movie. Don't watch that. But also,
Garam
by the way,
Masala,
directed by Priyadarshan.
Priyadarshan.
Also, Garam Masala directed by Priyadarshan. So both,
Kyunki and Garam Masala?
yeah,
Garam
both
Masala? Oh.
released on the same day. Also, both starred Rimi Sen, which is also wow, what a thing. Okay, same day. How often does that happen? The director is releasing 2 movies on the same day, which is unheard of, I would say. Where else?
एक बार और हुआ था बट मुझे याद नहीं, तो आप कमेंट्स में सर्च करके बताना.
हाँ, okay. If it has happened and you know about it,
I
please
think
let us
एक
know.
बार और हुआ.
I
I
would
think
love
या
to
तो
know about it.
actor was clashing like same
With his own
same
movie.
yeah.
क्या अक्षय कुमार
सुभाष
रहेगा?
घई के साथ भी हुआ है एक दिन पे 2 movies. Maybe I'm not sure.
चलो कोई नहीं. Let's
Is
move
it not
forward.
bad?
It
Spacing
is,
out?
but it must be a producer's
Producer's
call.
call, yeah.
Okay, fair enough. So, Garam Masala is meh. Okay, I find it like only some parts of it are over and the rest of it is meh. Okay, but I think a more entertaining watch on cheating and infidelity is Shadi Number 1, which I would consider like Masti light in a way.
Okay.
Okay, because Masti really goes onto the raunchier side of things.
Yeah.
This one is just more on the comedic side, but doesn't really get that raunchy. There's no need to for this plot of the film. David Dhawan is not that kind of
Yeah.
director.
Director.
Okay? So Shadi Number 1 stars Sharman Joshi, Zayed Khan, and Fardeen Khan.
Wow.
Okay. Do you guys know the song कोई ना रोक सकेगा हम तो हैं दीवाने
Doesn't ring a bell.
अय्याशी अय्याशी सोनी कुड़िए नाल मेरे आ जान. You guys know this song?
The more you're singing, the more I'm not
Okay, okay,
identifying.
okay.
this
swear.
song.
Do you guys know this song? Saurabh देखा तुझे दिल डोला
ये शायद
God
सुना है
promise
मैंने, शायद
दिल
सुना है।
डोला. राहुल वैद्या का गाना है, बहुत मस्त है.
राहुल वैद्या भी अलग ही ट्रिप पे
वो
चल
तो
रहा है
है,
भाई.
चलो,
Rahul
Yeah.
Vaidya is Indian Idol, right?
Yeah, dude.
Also, Laughter Chef right now, which I'm watching because of Kirti. I'm really enjoying
Laughter
it.
Chef?
Dude, it's a show.
Yeah,
Please let me tell you. Okay, again
Yeah,
another tangent.
What the fuck is laughter chef?
भाई हम
Another
लोग
tangent.
टॉपिक को छोड़ के
I really want
we
to
are,
know what is
we are
laughter
cheating on the topic. Right. Laughter Chef is this fucking awesome, hilarious show okay, that I'm right now really digging, really enjoying. They get a bunch of like these TV comics
Yeah.
like Krishna,
Yeah,
Bharti,
okay.
fucking Sudesh, which is Sudesh Lahiri, the
Yeah.
Krishna's partner,
Yeah.
and some TV actors, people from Big Boss, whatever. Elvis Yadav is there on it.
Oh.
Okay, so this show they get a professional chef to tell all these people what they have to make with
Oh, okay.
next to zero instructions on how to make it.
Acha.
Okay, and they are comedians, so they have to
Yeah.
make to the best version of that
Correct, yeah.
thing that they
Got
can
it.
make. And it's just time pass, easy watch. It's funny at times because Krishna is very funny. He gets, like,
Who's good at
it's-
cooking without instructions?
Oh, I don't know all the names of the
Okay.
entire cast because it's a very
Good.
it's a very
Got it.
big cast, and
Okay.
some of them are like TV actors who I unfortunately don't know the names of.
Where can I
Some
watch
are-
it?
It's on Jio Plus Hotstar.
Okay.
Jio Hotstar.
Got
Jio Plus Hotstar? Does Disney Plus Hotstar come in Jio Plus Hotstar?
Geo Hotstar.
Jio Hotstar.
Coming back to Shadi
Coming back
number
to
one.
Shadi number one. Shadi number one stars Fardeen, Sharman Joshi, Zahid Khan, and also the women are, if I'm not wrong, Aisha Takia
Ooh.
and
बस यार
क्या मैं जो react कर रहा हूँ guys. Aisha था क्या? Oh yeah, Aisha था क्या? I haven't seen her in a while.
the way you said, ooh.
yeah, that was the masti ooh.
Oh yeah, okay. Aisha Takia, Isha Deol, and Riya Sen, okay, are in the movie.
Okay.
And it revolves around this only, dude. The guys
So who's
are
cheating on whom?
the guys are cheating on the girls, like obviously.
But the three
Dude,
guys.
there's the obviously का क्या
Three
मतलब है?
guys, three girls.
Oh, three guys, three girls,
हाँ.
3 women who they're cheating on also. So
Three more
everyone's
women.
happy. It's not like masti. सब लारता के पास ही जा रहे हैं.
Bro, I'll tell you. So there's this film that came out in 2006. Have you heard of the film Sandwich?
Oh yes.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah, of course.
Crazy. Like
Govinda.
Govinda,
Yes.
bro. Woohoo. It's not on my list, but जिस तरीके से you explain कर दे शादी में I was like Sandwich. Anis Bazmi's.
Isn't that Govinda spending time with two of
Yeah.
his wives
Yeah.
and neither of them are aware of the other?
Yeah,
Yes.
and then
So-
so basically
which is-
one wife is in his village and दूसरी जो है वो शहर में है.
Isn't this like Sajan Chale Sasural?
I
Maybe.
haven't
I'm
watched.
not sure. But I was saying,
Like,
Govinda
there is-
has like a bunch
that's-
of these.
That's
Yeah.
the Govinda movie, where he's like marries 2 women, one
Yeah,
of them is dead,
ha,
and then he
ha.
marries another, and then
No,
both
no,
are dead.
none of them is dead
But
in
not
the film.
Sandwich, but I think Sajan Chale
Acha.
Sasural is this, if I'm not wrong. I think.
But anyway, so your second is Shadi number one, right?
Shadi number one. It's like a fun time pass
Govinda
watch.
also
I
does
would say.
infidelity in Kyunki Main Jhoot Nahi Bolta.
Yes.
Like, who cheats on Sushmita Sen, bro? Anyway. She gets, like, she's the reason for cheating in BB number one, which I totally get. But
Dude, BB number one is one of those.
BB
you
number
know-
one also on my list.
Yeah,
by the
sure.
way. Yeah.
Shadi number one, BB number one, both David Dhawan
Yeah,
movies.
yeah.
Also, like extremely engendered from the male
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
perspective
Yeah. Yes.
altogether.
Yeah.
Because everything that Salman does seems justified, or they're trying to justify for the most of the movie
Nahi, bro.
till about like the 40% mark.
Isn't the movie completely on Karishma's side?
Oh yeah, but he's
Yeah.
like it is definitely glorifying the act of cheating. So that way.
Sunani, he's not happy with the word
Oh,
glorification.
glorification.
What the fuck, bro?
Okay, fine.
If anything, in BB number one, his best friend, which is Anil Kapoor, helps the wife to get him back.
Yeah,
So,
but
yeah.
he's playing a double game actually.
And Anil Kapoor
Actually,
is
like, yeah.
actually the model husband who doesn't cheat on Tabu, and he's like,
Yeah.
despite everything, I want to stick by you, and
Yeah, and Tabu thinks he's
listen to
cheating,
him.
so she drives off.
Yeah.
And then he goes after
which
her.
is a terrible climax. But anyway,
Okay, so नहीं देखनी
please watch
मतलब.
again.
ठीक है. So my like number two, मतलब like no particular order,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
like the second film that I have on my list is Parched. Have you seen Parched?
No man.
No, who is in it?
Oh, dude, very good film.
Are they parched for sex? Wow, dude.
That's
nice.
thirst. That's thirst traps.
Oh,
not
that's
parched.
parched trap.
So that's Radhika Apte and Surveen Chawla, which is like the movie is directed by Leena Yadav. I think she's also written the film. Parched, बहुत सही film है. Basically, I'll tell you the story of it. So there's this एक गांव है, गांव में इसकी राधिका आप्टे की शादी हो जाती है, and then वहाँ पे the husband is not able to satisfy राधिका आप्टे, and the thing is कि वो pregnant नहीं हो पा रही है, ठीक है, तो सारे उसको blame कर रहे हैं,
Oh,
ठीक है. Then Surveen Chawla is basically playing that like modern sort of a character,
Okay.
जो like quote and quote
Yeah.
modern character, ठीक है कि and she is वो नहीं होता था ये पहले के टाइम में, आज भी tier 2 tier 3 cities में होता होगा, जहाँ पे the theatre company travels on a truck,
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो Surveen Chawla is basically the lead of that
Okay.
theatre company, and she is good friends with Radhika Apte. तो she tells कि मैं तुम्हें एक mystery lover के पास लेके जाती हूँ, who will basically quench
your parchedness, your parchedness. Yes.
and so उसके then
Your parched pussy.
Your
Carry on.
PP. Your PP. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, carry on. Yes. Then what happens?
यार कैसा गंदा आदमी है यार.
Maybe that's what they
Carry
meant.
on. I'm invested. I want to
Like,
know.
you know
what
how you get
happened.
dry mouth sometimes?
How can we be progressive and regressive on the same episode? This is a great example. अरे क्या कर रहा है स्टोरी बता
So
मिस्ट्री लवर हाँ
so she basically takes her to like a mystery lover, and that is being played by Adil Hussain.
Hussain,
Yeah,
oh.
ठीक है. So
Oh, yeah.
so that
Aisha Taki and Adil Hussain के बीच में action. Yeah, like,
yeah, so that is like फिर मतलब दिखाया that you know he's a lot into like yoga and all of that.
Okay.
तो proper ऐसा like I think they've tried to like draw parallels to Kama Sutra, and वैसे like she spends the night there, and then turns out like she gets to know that she's pregnant. She tells it to her husband that you know we're pregnant, and he starts beating her
Oh fuck.
because he always knew that the problem was in him, not her. So this basically deals with like a lot of issues एक तरीके से.
oh, so he basically finds out that
Yeah, that's
She's gone and
yeah,
done something,
basically, right. So then like he beats her up and all of that. So iske like they are basically through the film they are tackling like a lot of social issues.
Got it.
And then eventually she basically runs away with Surveen, and that's basically the ending of the film.
Okay.
So Parched is a very good film.
I also thought of that movie.
it's a very serious film, dude.
It's a very serious film. हाँ,
Matlab,
मतलब
what you thought it was?
Yeah, dude.
He was. It was a laugh.
the
Right?
way we've been talking about it, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's us.
Yeah,
not
dude.
the movie.
What the
not the film, bro.
अरे ये सचिन खेड़ेकर वाली मूवी जो तूने
अस्तित्व, bro.
अस्तित्व हाँ,
अस्तित्व,
वो.
bro.
Yeah, I thought of that as well.
Yeah, that will always be a special mention. We've already talked about it,
Spoken
so I
about it,
didn't
yeah.
have it on my list, but very good film.
Cool. What else do you have, Antriksh?
Abbas, it's you next.
Oh, actually, we already spoke about Kank. Kank was on my list. Masoom was
It's
on my
Kank.
list.
Yes,
Kank
don't
was
say Kank.
sorry, my
It
bad.
sounds wrong.
Silsila was on my list. We
Yeah,
already spoke
Silsila
about
is
it.
on my list also.
Kapoor and Sons was an honorable mention I had. It has again a thread of
A thread of it, yes.
Yeah,
fidelity in
sure.
it. Again, it's dealt with very maturely,
Similarly with Juk Juk Jio.
which I haven't seen. I think.
Oh, you
I
haven't?
seen. You know, I haven't.
ऐसे तो यार दिल धड़कने दो में भी है like
Yeah,
thread
yeah.
तो
That's true.
almost मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि
अनिल कपूर करता ही हर जगह.
I'm a little mixed on films like Masti and No Entry because they have a lot of nostalgic value and I still find them very funny.
I
But
agree.
I'm pretty sure they haven't
absolutely.
aged well. So
Yeah.
I
Dude,
don't
but
know.
you know, like the thing is, every few years I will watch No Entry and
Yeah,
love
same.
it just as much.
Yeah.
Masti, I can agree, hasn't aged as well because it's the raunchiness.
Yeah.
Raunchiness
Yeah.
does not age as well. If it's implied raunchiness or what have you, then it definitely ages.
मस्ती का by the way fourth part बन रहा है.
कौन है उसमें?
Same cast है.
ये वापस आ रहा है विवेक ओबेरॉय?
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Do you want to go next or should I like?
So this movie is a 2011 movie directed by Anis Bazmi.
Okay.
Again? Okay.
The movie is called Thank You.
Oh.
Again,
Very
Govinda?
funny.
Bro,
No, not Govinda.
that's Masti, but better, I guess.
Oh, again, not as raunchy. as
हाँ,
Masti.
but yeah,
Masti
that's-
is super raunchy.
Yeah, उसके अंदर जो I think character उसका है पुलिस वाले का. Who plays the पुलिस वाला in
The
Masti?
police wala in Masti is
हाँ.
Ajay Devgan.
अजय देवगन, right?
Yeah.
इसके अंदर वही कैरेक्टर अक्षय का है.
But in a way, but Akshay is not a police officer in it.
हाँ मतलब obviously.
He's like the,
हाँ,
the,
एकदम
the
तो नहीं
benefactor
छाप
of
हाँ
it.
एकदम
So
तो
what
नहीं छाप
happens
सकते ना.
So basically this movie का plot is also very convoluted, but because of the convolution, it makes it like quite
Funny.
fun. Okay, very funny. So the movie stars Irfan Khan,
Yeah.
Sunil Shetty, and Bobby Deol, and their wives are Sonam Kapoor, Sarina Jetli, and Rimi Sen.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
No, like it very 2011.
Yeah.
For
cast.
some reason अब्बास का सारा wow मेरे को creepy ही लगता है.
2011 की cast.
so then the three guys are obviously cheating on their spouses. Okay,
Yeah.
and there are so many gags that each gag works. The movie as a whole does not work. But individually, each gag in the movie and each scene in the movie works so well. It is so stupidly funny. I can't even describe how funny it is. Okay.
Bro, I thought हम लोग serious फिल्मों के बारे में बात
Why?
करेंगे.
No, it was
For
like
some reason I thought that.
Why did you think that?
he pulled out parts
I
from his
swear.
pocket.
I immediately went the funny route, dude. Like the comedic
fair,
movie routes.
fair.
Are you not rewatching the serious cheating movies again and again?
यार मतलब I was like कि हम लोग nuances के बारे में
अरे
बात कर
भाई
रहे
तो वो तो कर लिया ना भाई अब तो
ठीक है।
अब हमारी गलती
अभी
है
हरामी पना दिखा है. Yeah, so
so
thank
basically
you.
they cheat on them and what happens is Akshay Kumar is supposedly I just realized I'm using the word supposedly and all too many times in this movie.
Also
So
Akshay
Akshay
bro.
Kumar, yeah.
Yeah.
That's so, come here. Akshay Kumar is hired as like a private investigator by the wives
Okay.
to determine
Catch
and
them.
catch the men
Yeah.
who are cheating.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
but Akshay Kumar at some point starts playing a double agent because he befriends the guys.
Hmm.
Okay, then takes the contract of the guys also to basically make sure the wives don't find out that
Bro,
they're cheating.
this is a plot from Horrible Bosses, the Hollywood movie.
How?
Jamie Foxx plays the detective
Yeah.
who's supposed to catch them, and then he becomes friends with them or whatever. It's kind of like that.
Horrible bosses. They're supposed they
So there is
they
a-
hire Jamie Foxx.
They hire Jamie Foxx, okay?
Yeah.
My bad, but it's somewhere similar to this. Yeah.
No, it's
Okay.
not actually. They kill a boss. They're not cheating on the boss, dude.
But there is all Jennifer Aniston wala plot na where she's coming on to the guy.
That's Charlie
क्योंकि
Day.
गोरे
Yeah.
लोग में मतलब औरतें भी cheat करती हैं तो
हमारे भी करती है. Let's be 100. Let's keep it 100. Yeah.
Sure.
not-
Anyway, continue. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you. Yes. So.
Yeah, okay. So
good
I'll
night.
go with
Thank you and good night. But yeah, very fun movie. Just go
So
watch it.
question: is Savaria an infidelity movie?
what?
Savaria,
I mean, she's
infidelity.
committed to Salman, but then Ranbir walks into her life.
But she never commits to Ranbir. That's the whole point of Ranbir be playing like the friend zoned guy, no?
Is Etraz an infidelity movie?
Bro, so I'll tell you.
Post infidelity.
No, so I,
More of-
matlab,
more of the R word.
I actually, when I was like writing, like making my list, I was actually speaking to like a friend to discuss, and Etraz was actually ऐसा.
You went that far? You went to a friend to discuss infidelity movies? Wow.
mean, yeah.
You did proper research.
Yeah,
Okay.
dude, I talked with my mother also on this. I was
Oh
like,
wow,
कि-
Mom, what is your favorite infidelity movie?
Yeah,
like,
actually,
matlab,
to get to
हाँ,
know
so
our
like,
parents' point of
I
view.
spoke to her, and Etraz also like it was on my list
Yeah.
till
So,
I
can
spoke to my mom, and तो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, and then she was like कि it's literally that one fleeting second if you want to count it,
Yeah.
but then
He comes to his
he
senses.
immediately comes to his senses, and that is what they've shown
And also
in the
like the
film.
entire time he's saying Priya is her name
But,
Priya.
but then
Priya
isn't
nahi
that,
Priya.
doesn't that also count as emotional cheating then?
But that's
No.
not emotionally though. Absolutely not.
Emotionally
Physically-
तो 110%
Physically for that
But
fraction
he has
if
a
you wanna
moment
count.
of weakness, right?
Yeah,
तो
but-
उस moment
but he
के
doesn't
लिए
give
count
in.
कर लो आप.
And he doesn't give in. He's the good
cool.
man.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's the
उसको
idea-
लॉकेट भी तो दिखता है फिर.
Yeah.
Locket-
Akshay Kumar has range.
Yeah,
Akshay
bro.
Kumar
let's
has
just
range.
say-
Akshay Kumar.
That's true.
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar.
You cannot deny that.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. Like there are 3 names that have repeatedly come up: Akshay, Nasir Saab, and Anil Kapoor.
Anil Kapoor.
correct.
Ritesh Deshmukh also. He's in fucking Masti. Then he's in
Houseful.
Houseful. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway,
fair.
what else you
So
got?
I like the third film that I had on my list was Man Marziyan.
Oh, Man
Okay,
Marziyan, even
sure,
I thought
sure.
of this. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
very
Man
interesting-
Marziyan, Man Marziyan was there, and obviously Man Marziyan, Taapsee, Vicky, Abhishek,
So भी मन में आएगा
Anurag
मतलब
Kashyap.
हाँ.
It's like Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, but good.
Yeah.
You don't like Hamza Jagana?
For its time, it was great.
So now you don't like it?
I haven't seen it in a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So because I haven't seen it in a long time, इसलिए मैंने एक फिल्म जो थी वो स्पेशल मेंशन में डाली थी, and that's चारुलता by Satyajit Ray.
Satyajit Ray. Bro, he brought out the big guns, bro.
Sorry, I do not know.
a grand masti. Thank you, garam masala.
मुझे सच में लगा कि हम लोग actual ऐसा discussion करेंगे.
So because you have mentioned Charulata, I also would like to give shout out to 2 films which I wanted to include, but I didn't because again they're so legendary.
Yeah.
Pyasa and Sahib Bibi
Oh,
Aur Gulab.
bro, Pyasa,
Yeah.
crazy fucking film.
Again, not traditionally infidelity,
Yeah.
we would say, but it involves a prostitute or a dancing girl, whatever you want.
I have another great example
Yeah.
of emotional cheating,
Yeah.
which I think has escaped both of you.
Okay.
Rab ne bana di jodi.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
You're right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And I would say it's
But
enjoyable film
on
for me.
paper, no, because he's the same person.
Yeah, but in theory,
Yeah,
But
yes.
in
She doesn't
theory,
know that.
yes.
She doesn't know that.
Of course, yeah.
So yeah, and now who does he stay as the rest of his life? He doesn't know how the original guy or the cheating guy.
But what was your original choice right now?
Man Marziyan,
Man
and
Marziyan.
then
I want to say anything more about Man Marziyan?
यार I really liked Man Marziyan. मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसा था कि when I got like when people in the interviews and everybody said that it's inspired
Shit,
from...
Abhishek gets cheated on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another movie like Kank and this. That's another name. But Abhishek is the cheaty, not
the
cheater.
cheaty, yeah. Like
yeah.
when they said that this is inspired from Amrita Pritam and Sahir Ludhianvi and Imroz, तो वो मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसा like oh, but क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मैं like I was always into like reading poetry and all of that, तो इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा इंट्रीग ज्यादा बैठ गया था मनमर्जियां को लेके. तो जब देखी वो, फिर मैंने इवेंचुअली आई वेंट अप टू राइट लाइक अ रेडियो ड्रामा ऑन अमृता प्रीतम एंड साहिर लुधियानवी एंड ऑल एंड इमरोज का इक्वेशन. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक द फिल्म आल्सो हैज लाइक अ स्पेशल स्पॉट फॉर मी. So yeah, मनमर्जियां, one of those films where like I think मनमर्जियां made me fall in love with Vicky. Oh, there is this one specific scene जहाँ पे विकी कौशल बेसिकली गाड़ी निकाल रहा है तापसी पन्नू को लेने के लिए, एंड देन उसके डैड उसको खिलौने का एग्जांपल देके कहते हैं कि तुझे हमेशा पाने का शौक था, तुझे कभी ध्यान रखने का शौक नहीं था. एंड देन ही इज लाइक आप चुप करो वगैरह वगैरह. ही स्टार्ट्स ड्राइविंग एंड मिडवे ही रियलाइजेज, मिडवे क्या, वो पहुंच जाता है तापसी की गली के बाहर, एंड ही रियलाइजेज दैट यू नो माई डैड वॉज राइट. ठीक है, एंड देन ही इज ड्राइविंग, एंड वो ड्राइव करते टाइम ना वो ऐसा एज इन बैक कर रहा है वो गाड़ी, और वो कैमरा पीछे की तरफ है, एंड ही टर्न्स बैक करने के लिए पीछे देखता है ना, वो पीछे देख रहा है, एंड द टर्मोइल दैट इज शोन ऑन हिज फेस कि A, he's letting go of the love of his life. B, he's realized that his dad was right. C, he's realized that he was wrong all along. उन तीनों चीज़ों का इमोशन एक साथ चेहरे पे दिखाना, वो एक पर्टिकुलर सीन मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
I love these moments when actors, like, you can see the layers in the actors acting. I fucking love it.
Yeah, people forget मनमर्जियां was also directed by Anurag Kashyap.
Anurag Kashyap, yes,
underrated Anurag Kashyap movie.
Yeah.
But Rab Ne Banadi Jodi also very interesting choice. Yes.
Yeah, so we have talked extensively about cheating.
Yeah, dude.
और अब तो थोड़ा मन कर रहा है. अब तो कीर्ति को कभी नहीं दिखा सकता मैं यहाँ पे.
Yeah, the thing is मुझे लग रहा है हमने, I think we just, I think like we just let loose our thoughts in this episode.
which is how it
like
should
this
be.
was not like the traditional listing episodes,
Which
that
means
we
it won't
do.
get many numbers.
No, I actually think this is very engaging because people cheat, dude. You've cheated. I'm sure.
Don't become member
Please.
of other channels, okay?
Yeah,
Stay
please, okay.
faithful to
Yeah.
us.
Please, हम कल पैदा तो नहीं होते.
I also had this film called Jurm on my list. Have you seen Jurm?
No, I have not.
विनोद खन्ना की फिल्म है. मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री, विनोद खन्ना, संगीता बिजलानी. That's also
Also, dude, then I have like Cocktail also with cheating.
but shades of cheating almost हम लोग बैठने लग जाए तो वो
I'm still not very clear between a love triangle and an infidelity. I think if you're putting love triangle as infidelity, it's a little dubious.
But if two people are already dating, a third person coming in, entering the love triangle is cheating for at least that one person.
I guess.
For sure, dude.
What
What do you think? Will the other person be angry or upset
but
or whatever?
in that
hurt?
case, then you have Dil Chahta Hai, you have Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, you have
Dil Chahta Hai,
so many
absolutely.
movies. You have
But see,
Break Ke Baad.
Cocktail, that's definitely part of the central plot that he falls in love with the friend and lets go of his actual girlfriend.
Right.
Dil Chahta Hai, that's again not the main
यार
plot.
एक बात
But
बताओ
she
ना,
is cheating.
जैसे आपने जाने तो या जाने ना की बात करी. आई थिंक अब जाने तो या जाने ना में क्या है, जिनीला डिसूजा इज डेटिंग समवन,
Right.
ठीक है, इमरान खान इज डेटिंग समवन,
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So then infidelity cancels out. I think it's fine.
The thing is that they like
But they are the soulmates.
they are
Yeah, two wrongs make a right, guys.
नहीं, but they are not cheating on their respective partners, dude. Like, see, they might be unhappy with their partners. They might know in their minds that, okay, you know, I maybe belong with them, with the other one, but they are not cheating on them.
Yeah.
I see
that's
what you
fine.
mean. Yeah. It's,
ऐसे तो फिर हर
there is a trigger in their
Yeah.
personal interpersonal relationships that they are having with other people, which draws them back to
the thing is कि
person.
उनका they वो साथ वापस तब आते हैं जब वो अपने वालों के साथ नहीं होते.
नहीं होता है उनका. Fair.
तो आई थिंक इन चीजों को हम लोग चीटिंग टर्म नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah, that's called benching, not cheating.
No.
Bench the other.
Okay, very quickly and then we'll wrap up. Let's taking Dil Chahta Hai for example.
Okay.
She's committed to someone who's not in the same country as her, right? She's in Australia. Ayub Khan is in India.
Yeah. उल्टा नहीं बोल दिया आपने.
Ayub Khan is in India.
Oh,
She's in
हाँ,
Australia.
yeah, fair.
Then Akash comes to Australia and she sees him as a friend, starts hanging out with him. That's not emotional cheating,
No, but
right?
she definitely
Falls in
falls
love
in love.
with him.
That's the emotional. Falling in love is the emotional cheating part.
So he's falling
यार
in love by
ऐसे तो
default.
हाँ मतलब ये तो बहुत ज्यादा हो
But
जाएगा.
bhai, but emotional cheating is that only. That you fall in love with someone else while you're committed to someone else. You need not physically cheat.
I know, I'm not talking about physical cheating,
Yeah.
even emotional cheating.
That's definitely emotional cheating.
When you're seeing, you're with someone, committed to someone, yet you're not sharing your life with them, you're sharing your feelings and your emotions and your thoughts with someone else on a more intimate level. That is cheating. When you're committed to someone, it's not working out, you're hanging out with someone else and you realize, you know what,
you're crushing hard on them,
this
dude.
chemistry is way better than what I have with this
Yeah.
committed person. Let me go off this person and commit to this person.
Till you're dating
That
that
is-
person, it is cheating.
Okay,
Absolutely.
I don't agree. Tell us in the
But
comments.
you don't think
what
it's
you-
cheating.
There has to be a line. There is a
Man,
little intimacy.
No wonder.
I don't mean
Abbas.
physical
Real
intimacy.
life. Now it makes sense.
There is
You-
a
you- yeah.
very thin line between friendship, lover, and emotional intimacy with the person.
क्योंकि प्यार दोस्ती है बस. अगर वो मेरी
Again.
सबसे अच्छी दोस्त नहीं हो सकती तो मैं कभी उससे प्यार कर ही नहीं
सही
सकता.
बात है. हाँ.
Sure, I understand what you're
Yeah.
saying. But I completely think if you are committed to
Okay,
someone
sure.
else,
I'm not saying you change your opinion.
मुझे एक बात बताओ भाई, ये बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा बट ठीक है, मुझे एक बात बताओ कि इफ आई एम इन अ रिलेशनशिप विद यू, ठीक है,
Aw.
ठीक है, लाइक सो आई नो योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स, योर वीक पॉइंट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
you.
या ठीक है, यू भी छोड़ो, लाइक बट द थिंग इज कि मुझे पता है कि इन एरियाज में आपकी इमोशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग कम है,
Okay.
ठीक है, इसकी ज्यादा है.
कीर्ति से बात करके आया.
इसकी ज्यादा है, ठीक है, बट इसकी उन बाकी दूसरे एरियाज में कम है जिस एरियाज में आपकी ज्यादा है. सिर्फ इमोशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ.
I'm
ठीक है.
better in bed, bro.
ठीक.
Yeah.
ओके,
just said emotional understanding.
ठीक है, तो
He has sex emotionally only.
तो इफ
Never physically.
तो
He's making a point.
तो
huh?
इफ आई, अगर मुझे ऐसी एक प्रॉब्लम आई एम फेसिंग इन लाइफ जो मुझे पता है कि ही वुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर देन यू,
Dude, sharing it with a friend is different. Falling in love with him while you're sharing
बट देन
stuff.
दैट्स व्हाट ना भाई इमोशनल. अभी आपने जो इमोशनल
Bro,
चीज
you're,
हाँ
the way you're saying it's very slotted.
Yeah, dude,
love
ऐसे
हो गया,
नहीं
yeah,
होता है.
I've fallen in love. Emotional intimacy. It's a very blurred line.
और इमोशनल चीटिंग तो और ज्यादा ब्लर्ड है.
Dude, sure. But the way you're describing it, Preeti Zinta's character in Dil Chahta Hai was emotionally cheating. Just in that scenario. You'll have to go take it scenario by scenario. In this one, if certain things, me as a lover, I'm not that great at talking to you about, and you share it with another friend who happens to be, whatever.
Bro, but the
same
way you're
gender
describing it,
interest.
that men will be assholes who won't let their girlfriends or wives hang out with any other guy because they're like, hey, what if she falls in love with her?
No, I'm
with
not
him?
saying that.
You have to stay with
I'm
me.
not saying that, but dude, you have to trust your spouse
Yeah,
or wife to
that's
not
what,
fall in love
obviously.
also. No. So then, but if she does,
But
that's cheating.
if she confesses
Was-
or
why was-
has any
if it's not cheating,
affinity
why was
to the
Preeti
other
Zinta
guy?
scared to share
Of course, in the movie, for the sake, because it's Amir Khan and Preeti Zinta, and Ayub Khan doesn't sell as many tickets. That's why she had to fall in love.
it? So
with
it's
him.
Ayub Khan's problem, dude. That's not on me.
वो वाली कौन सी फिल्म है जिसमें शाहरुख, सलमान और माधुरी हैं?
हर दिन जो प्यार करेगा?
नहीं, bro. प्यार हम तुम्हारे सनम.
हम
तुम्हारे सनम. Is that emotional cheating?
I don't even remember that
No,
movie.
see, over there, Shahrukh thinks they're cheating, but she's a maybe you can tell her, you can say she's not a good wife because she's giving way more time to her best friend than her husband. Dude, I mean that's not me. You can say that.
It's fine,
I wouldn't.
Yeah,
Stay
yeah.
silent all the time.
Dadaji.
What I'm saying is, she is absolutely like from her end is not doing anything wrong. She's just hanging out with a friend, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, who she really enjoys and likes, whatever.
And
And
the
likes.
As a friend,
she?
fucker.
He said it.
अच्छा
Yeah,
ठीक है.
but who she clearly just likes as a friend. It's the husband who is thinking, adding more to what is there actually. So that Madhuri is not cheating.
What is
And Shahrukh, that thinks she-
what is the difference between Madhuri and Salman relationship and a Preeti and Amir relationship there. They
Because
both are.
one
Hanging.
turns into affectionate feelings.
तो मतलब वही ना
And
आप
the other one
डेस्टिनी
doesn't.
तक
वो तो
पहुंचने
तू-
की
हाँ,
बात कर रहे हो,
तू-
हम सफर की बात कर
You
रहे
are
हैं
saying because you
क्योंकि
already know
सफर-
the
Dude,
outcome.
at
क्योंकि
some
सफर
point-
खूबसूरत है मंजिल से भी
No. At some point in the Madhuri and Salman relationship, if they start having feelings for each other and start hiding it from Shah Rukh and all, then it develops into
ये
cheating.
आगे से ऐसे एपिसोड्स के लिए हमको एक महिला का होना बहुत
बहुत
जरूरी
जरूरी
है.
But I'm 100% right.
That is this your 100%
Yeah.
certainty is what I have a problem with.
yeah.
I mean, you guys are thoda flowy with your definition of cheating. That's not on me.
The definition-
That's not on me, dude. What the hell?
चलो तो good, both of us are
it's
single
okay,
at this point.
Yeah, really, man. Really.
We don't have to hide this episode from
Yeah,
anybody.
अब तो ये एपिसोड अपने होने वाले गर्लफ्रेंड को मत दिखाना हमारी गलती से. These are what I think. And we play.
बिकॉज नहीं वही ना, अगर देखो ना, अगर मतलब अभी अंतरिक्ष को प्रॉब्लम कब हुई प्रीति जिंटा और आमिर खान से, जब इवेंचुअली उसको
हाँ,
पता लगा,
कब?
ठीक है, अगर इवेंचुअली वो दोस्त ही रह जाते तो
They
ये
were
इमोशनल
not-
चीटिंग नहीं था.
नहीं.
अरे पर आपके पास क्या रोहित
नहीं,
मेहरा
नहीं,
वाला
नहीं, नहीं,
कंप्यूटर है क्या?
Dude, see. Preeti Zinta
तो
was
मतलब you are saying that
कोई मिल गया infidel.
Dude, do you develop romantic feelings for the other person?
अरे मेरे भाई,
That's
but
it.
but that
But
is
that's what I said.
eventual, no.
The idea
What do you
of-
mean eventual?
Okay, calm down.
Till it doesn't
We don't
reach
need to
that.
yell.
Till it doesn't reach that, it is not cheating.
हाँ, so
If it because then it shifts into cheating.
Bro,
Before that,
I'm
it's not.
saying the idea of romance is not as black and white that you instantly just fall in love with that person. You have affection with that. I know of cases, and this is the last thing we will say about
yeah,
this.
I know of cases, मतलब अब्बास.
Where people,
I know friend. I know friend.
where people who are married to other people have felt affection and romance with another person, but because they know that their situation, they're committed to their spouses, they've let go of it and continued with the marriage, and they're happy with their lives.
तो मतलब वो पीरियड के लिए वो चीट कर रहे थे.
हाँ,
I mean,
according to his
emotional
definition, yeah.
cheating.
Emotional
Dude, how much do you
attachment.
give in to the temptation?
Again, bro, temptation.
What do you mean?
He doesn't believe in temptation
No,
also.
I do believe, but it's there is something a little. There's something before temptation and lust and all of that, which is an affection that you have for another person. That doesn't necessarily mean it's cheating.
Dude, again, I don't see. Okay, think of it this way. Do you think if you're dating someone, okay, you start talking to another girl, completely fine. Okay, first it's like chill, whatever, just talking, and then clearly you are getting more and more emotionally,
And
romantically attached.
if I
to her.
identify that and pull back, then is that still cheating?
No, then
Exactly, that's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
But Preeti Zinta did not, so it's cheating.
Okay, this became a very specific example.
यार,
Yeah,
like
that's
we are talking
endless
about the
conversation.
concept and not दिल चाहता है.
I mean, I understand the concept of what you're saying, but in
take
all
it.
the instances you guys said, it's all been cheating.
Because you know the outcome of the movie that
So
we are
that's not on
quoting.
me. What? How is it on me? Choose better examples, dude. Where it doesn't become this thing.
Okay, I'll quote a movie that hasn't been finished
Yeah,
next time.
please. What the hell?
Ashiki 3.
That's
This
cheating.
one, the Salman, Madhuri and Shah Rukh one.
Yeah,
वो
it's
तो-
not.
Again, because he knows that's not how the
That's what
movie-
I'm saying. Like
But
it is.
the ultimate outcome will always matter. Of course.
But we don't know the future in reality.
Yeah,
right?
dude.
so till it's not, it's not. And when it becomes that, it is. You know
So
what I
that
mean?
isn't that convenient? What
Exactly.
you just said.
What are you talking about?
अरे मैं ये कहना, अरे भाई द थिंग इज कि मुझे कैसे पता लगेगा कि मुझे 2 साल बाद इस आदमी से प्यार हो
There is
जाएगा.
no way to know.
तो वही ना,
Exactly.
फिर मतलब अगर 2 साल बाद मुझे प्यार हो जाता है उस इंसान से, तो मैं तो 2 साल का गिल्ट ले लूंगा ना कि fuck, मैं तब
नहीं,
से इमोशनल
but
चीट कर रहा था
क्यों?
क्या.
No, only when it becomes that, when it shifts to that.
और जैसे ही मुझे पता लग रहा है शिफ्ट एंड आई एम लाइक कि अब नहीं
I
कर
feel
सकता मैं बात,
dude,
तो मैं फिर वो
I
चीटिंग
swear to
नहीं
God,
है.
I feel like I'm being punked right now. You guys are not just not understanding what I'm saying. How is this?
Ashton Kutcher is
How are, we,
outside.
how are we still talking about this?
Someone in the comments will be
We
like
were supposed
अंतरिक्ष
to-
को bully कर रहे हैं.
We were supposed to have ended this episode 15 minutes back.
Let's do it.
1 hour 40 minutes. Fuck dude, sorry.
You tell us, where do you stand? Did Preeti Zinta
This is still a
cheat
film and
emotionally or not?
entertainment podcast.
God damn it, all well.
थेरेपी बना दिया हमने
Yeah,
इस
भाई क्या हो
episode
गया भाई?
Thank you for listening till this point. If you have
If you
stuck
did,
around.
hashtag no cheating, no cheating, no cheating. Let us know in the comments. Please type that in the comments so we know you watched it till here.
Oh, dude, fuck.
One
yeah.
last time, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't so far. Take our memberships, which you mentioned
Yes.
in the beginning of the episode.
Absolutely.
You'll find a tutorial video hopefully on the on this channel. Anything you want to plug, Snehal, before we wrap up?
या नहीं प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड एज आई ऑलवेज से सो हमने एक चीज नोटिस करी है कि पहले ही दिन हमारा वीडियो 5,500 व्यूज तक पहुंच जाता है, 6,000 व्यूज तक पहुंच जाता है और फिर बाकी के पूरे हफ्ते 2,000 ही लोग देखते हैं उसको. तो
So this video, share with your girlfriend in your house, and
Yeah,
you
and
also
te-
share
हाँ,
it
and
with, you know.
and tell them
With your side piece. Share the side piece.
कि मैं इन जैसा नहीं सोचता हूँ. मैं अंतरिक्ष जैसा सोचता हूँ, ठीक है.
Yeah.
तो प्लीज वी विल फील कि ये हमारा एपिसोड सक्सेसफुल रहा कि अगर पहले दिन भी 6,000 व्यूज आए और अगले दिन
उसके
भी
अगले दिन
6,000
तो
हर
आपको हमारा
हफ्ते
target audience
6,000
पता है क्या है.
But 6,000 से ज़्यादा है, then you're the problem.
Alex, anything you want to plug before we
Please check out
wrap
everything that I do. That Filmy Game Show on my YouTube channel. ये popcorn देख ही रहे हो. Check out Spender Bender, Crickheads, Tis, and give me more work, please. I need more work.
Nice,
All right.
nice. I also do interviews on this other channel called The Comment Section. My interview with Amol Parashar would be out by now. There are also other episodes you can check out there. That was our episode. Thank you so much. One last time. This is us signing off. Us being Abbas Momin, Sehna Nija, and Antriksh Thakkar from Filmy Kulada. Bye-bye.
Banging episode.